Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today I'm very simply going to show you how to install a new LED headlight in your car. And it's not that hard. It really doesn't take a technician to replace it, and the cost of a new one is very cheap. My main goals for these videos are to teach you not to get ripped off and just do it yourself. So let's get into it, shall we? Now, first of all, I always purchase my LED headlights from Aliexpress, which is usually direct from the supplier in China. It'll usually cost only $10 to $20 Canadian for a pair of quality LEDs. Now, there are hundreds of brands out there, and most aren't of that great quality. Over time, I've only come to trust two brands, C6 and Roadsun. Now, they both have their own official stores on Aliexpress. I'll put the links below. I am in no way sponsored by either of them. I just like their price, quality, and reliability over the years. So first of all, you'll need to know what type of headlight connector your car uses. You can check out your car manual or do a quick Google search. Here I'll be installing a Roadsun HB4 headlight LED into my 2010 Toyota Corolla. You'll want to reach for your existing headlight bulb, then twist it out of the housing, then unplug the connector it's attached to. Of course, this process may be different from car to car. You'll now want to take your new LED and reverse the process. Plug it in, insert the LED into the mount, then twist to lock. You can now turn on your lights. Now if it doesn't light up, you may have simply plugged the connector in reverse. Usually these modern LEDs are super bright, and they have a mini fan that powers on within the attached metal heatsink. And you can definitely hear it spin. And this is to cool it down, as the lights do get super hot. Now, I usually buy a second set of headlights in case one of them ever goes out. That way I can immediately replace it and go. I hope this video saves you some money and giving you confidence in maintaining your car. Comment below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to this humble YouTube channel. Alright, cheers guys.